How's it going, guys? MCF Got Milk here. Welcome back to another auto video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to gap spark plugs and how to get the right gap. So what you're going to need is obviously a gap tool. This one I got from AutoZone clearly, and it's literally like a coin, and you can literally tap it onto your keychain if you really wanted to. And as you can see, the difference is as you spin the coin, it gets thicker. And what you're going to want to do is you want to slide the spark plug onto this edge here, and as you can see, they're all labeled with numbers. So what you want to do is you want to look up your car's spark plug gap. For example, my 1994 Ford Mustang is a 052, so about right there. See if we can get a little better for you. There you go, a little 52. So I got the right spark plug. Make sure you get the right spark plug for your car. As you can see, spark plug obviously Motorcraft, which is Ford, and this one is a Platinum spark plug. There's different types of spark plugs, but this one is a Ford Platinum Motorcraft. And as you can see, some of them come gapped already by the manufacturer, but this one does not. So what you're going to want to do is take your coin. So like I said, it's 0.052. I'm sorry. To do it, take your coin, put it on, slide it up. As you can see, it starts to get really big resistance at 0.040, and I obviously have to get it to 0.052. So what you're going to want to do is take the cap, put it in the hole, and you're going to want to bend up slightly. Go back to the coin, write it again. As you can see, now I'm at exactly at 0.50, so I'm going to have to very carefully go here again and deflate a bit, run it back up. As you can see, now it's at 0.51. So pretty much that's exactly what you do. I would say you overdo it. You overdo the bending, and you slide it up, and now it's at a 0.060 area. Oh no, that's not what you want to do. Take your coin upside down, put it down, take your spark plug and gently or press down on it, and as you can see, it got smaller. Now if we ride it back up on the coin, now it's down to 0.5, like 5 around that area. So again, it's just you gotta fiddle with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how you gap spark plugs. If you guys learn anything, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. And if you guys see anything I missed out, go in the comments, let me know, because again, I'm still learning myself, and I'm just passing on the knowledge that I know to you. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.